Hello, folks. Today I have come here to share with you business knowledge. Business knowledge has transformed the world. It has given a new dimension to our thinking. According to my mind, everybody must have a basic knowledge of business. How the business operate, what is the profit motive, how to create teams, how to plan, how to execute a plan. All these are very essential. In my video or in my tutorial, I am going to talk to you about basic business knowledge. This knowledge is essential for you to use in your job, use in your business. Don't forget, life is processed thought and action. And if you do not do it, you will not progress very far. Whether a small time business or a big time business, they all practice promise thoughts and promise action. I do hope my tutorials on business knowledge will help you to do better in life and in business. So, we'll start very shortly our tutorials. You can go to my website www.trainforfuture.com. Till then, bye.